Hi everyone and welcome back. So in this video we will be discussing about how to see other profile in LinkedIn anonymously. So this is going to be a step-by-step process. Before we start, click the link in the description below to get 50% off the highest rated LinkedIn growth course by LinkedIn's top influencers that will teach you exactly how to grow and monetize your LinkedIn account. Now coming back onto the video, let's say if you simply go through a profile link of somebody, and if let's say he got this person, I simply head over to their profile, so they will get a notification, or at least they will be getting to know that you visited their profile. Now to anonymously go through a profile, what you need to do is simply open an incognito or private window and then head over to LinkedIn. Once you do, you will be able to see people's profile without letting them know. So you can see a profile is opened up in front of me and I can go through it and no one is gonna get an idea of who visited them. So quite simple and effective. Make sure to give it a try. That is it for this video. Now before we end this video, do not forget to get your 50% discount to start growing your LinkedIn account by clicking the link in the description below. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.